Hello my creative friends, Olga Sobi here and welcome to new acrylic pouring video. Today let's explore a new way to gradient pour painting. So in all of my previous gradient pours I have applied the base paint on my panel and then I would add colors with gradient in one flow. Today I want to change things up. So I want to have actually the whole side of the panel with gradient colors and another part is going to be just solid color in negative space. Of course, I'll share my details as I go, and color-wise, I'm gonna go something very similar to this painting. I think this color palette is gorgeous, definitely makes to my top 3 favorite color palettes ever. So something similar to this beauty, just different layout and less white color. Working on this 16 by 20 created little panel, and as always, all the color names, links, products, details, everything you need to know in the description under the video. So let's see how it works. So without further ado, let's get started. Cascade flow is the secret message today. So I want to have sort of a wavy movement in my flow. Yeah, something like this. So this part is going to be this dark color. And here I'm gonna have my colors of the gradient. Okay, this part is done. Just some air bubbles here. And for my colors of the gradients, I want to move again from cool colors to warm colors. And I'll start. So this turquoise blue. That was ultramarine. This is a violet, mix of a few different shades of violet and purple. You see, I have my colors overlapping with each other a little bit. Some red-violet next. The red one was a mix of carmine and transparent red. And some orange. Pushing my colors towards dark a little bit. I hope it's going to be fine when I blow it out. Well, I think this looks pretty interesting already. So I definitely want to add some white. But I don't want to have too much white. Just to create some highlights. And I have a few metallic colors here. So this one is a mix of copper and red. It will help me create some interesting accents. This is iridescent green blue. And this is iridescent red violet. And finally some gold. Can't go without my gold. Okay, it's time to blow this out. So to blow it out, I'm planning to do something similar to what Molly from Molly's Artistry does when she blows out her beautiful waves. So first blow out on a border between my negative space color and the colors of my gradient, and then blow out from here. Okay, let's do this. I'm trying to think, do I need more color or don't? I don't think I do. Well, I can always add more as I go. Let's do it! Okay, I already love it. I don't know what's gonna happen next, but I love this line. I'm super pumped about it. Okay, so now let's work on this type of movement. Love it. I think I said it like 3 times in the last 2 minutes, but can't help it, I really do. You know, I think I used too much gold in this section, but because it's next to violet here, it creates beautiful accent. Love with this some yellow over the black, all this transparency. This is not super duper nice. Just pushing those sections back. Some amazing lacing all throughout. I really love these parts where you can almost see like a line of color that creates a border between one color and the other. It very much looks like the finger swipe that I do to connect the composition. So I love this a lot, and I think I want to add it in few areas just a little more intentionally. Just literally dipping my finger in gold. Okay, this is perfect. Also, I really like this part. I think it's really beautiful with the yellow over the dark color. And this line does not continue as much on the rest of it, so I actually gonna do finger swipe as well, just to sort of connect this. Hopefully continue this movement. It better now. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. See that I have quite a few drips at the front. I definitely could have get away with way less paint on my panel, so something to keep in mind for new pours in this style, because more definitely coming up. The only thing that I'm trying to decide is whether or not I want to add some splatters, and I think I do. So I'm just gonna dip in gold. Voila! I think it's time for me to stop. Let's see how it dries. Keep watching. Hey guys, so here is this beauty all dry. I covered it with a layer of epoxy resin, and there are two main things that I would like to mention about this painting. So first is, oh my god, you guys, I love it! And second thing is that I am totally gonna do the whole series of paintings in this style, of course with different color palettes, and I am naming it the Vibrant Overflow. I think it really suits the overall feel and energy of this type of painting. The overflow, really powerful overflow of colors, the gradient, the cascade, it all blends in sort of together. And you can see that some of the colors in this painting, especially this part, the violet and the red violet, they dried really darker, but still the whole color palette is super intense. There is a lot of contrast, a lot of vibrant and really bright colors, but even having such an intense color palette, I think this painting still doesn't feel overwhelming because there is this black section with black negative space. It really does the trick in balancing out and really creating this beautiful movement, this beautiful flow and wavy splashes of color. It helps to emphasize this gorgeous composition without actually make this painting screaming, if you know what I mean. I think this golden part that goes from here and splashes out into yellow and orange, it's definitely the main part, the main focal point of this painting. And I love how this gold blends into the color, creating these layers, really emphasizing the cascade effect. So it's a golden story for sure. And that's why I'm naming this painting the Golden Elation. I feel like it fits perfectly. I also really love those golden splatters, They add the dynamic feel to the painting and they shine so brightly against the light. Some of the details in this bottom part are so gorgeous, and I think it has the most depth, this section, because this turquoise blue is a peg color and the violet and ultramarine blue are transparent. So this difference in opacity really creates this dimension, adds the dimension to the painting, and of course some gorgeous lacing from my iridescent colors added. And this is how it looks on the side. So you can see I have removed the tape as always to keep that clean wood sides. I don't cover my sides with anything. I really love to keep that raw look and feel on the sides. So there you have it, the Golden Elation first proud painting in Vibrant Overflow series. Please let me know how do you like the outcome. I really hope you're just excited as I am about this new series. Please stay tuned, a lot more different color variations, palettes, composition, layouts coming up. Stay tuned for that, and I would love to chat with you in the comments under this video. So talk to you there and see you in the next video. Bye bye!